Had conflicting advice about whether to submit your resume in Word or PDF for job applications? Let's clear up with the confusion. For emailed applications, PDF is the way to go. It ensures your formatting stays intact even if the hiring manager uses a different software from you. Plus, PDFs are harder to tamper with. This can happen when an external recruiter changes your resume to better match what their clients want. But when it comes to online platforms and applicant tracking systems, Word is best. Word documents are ATS-friendly, reducing parsing errors and helping create an error-free profile in their system. By the way, if you'd like your resume to stand out, JobLeads is offering a free resume review. Find the link in the description. Make the right choice and let your resume open doors to new opportunities. Good luck!